Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Chevy Silverado grille. First, gather your tools: a 10mm socket, a ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, and pliers. Begin by opening your truck's hood. You'll see a black plastic cover running from the grille to the radiator support. Carefully pry out the small plastic push clips holding this cover in place. Next, remove the four 10mm bolts located across the top of the grille. These are crucial for loosening the assembly. Now let's move to the sides and bottom. Some models may have additional bolts or screws securing the bumper fascia. Remove these. Gently pull the bumper trim away from the body, starting at each end. This helps loosen the entire assembly. Next, reach behind the grille to locate the clips along the bottom. There are typically about 6 clips that need to be pinched with pliers to release them. Take your time to avoid breaking any. With all the fasteners removed, it's time for the final release. Ensure every bolt, screw, and clip is completely disengaged. Gently lift the grille slightly and pull it straight forward. You might feel a few remaining retaining tabs pop free. It's important to use your hands and avoid pry bars at this stage to prevent damage. If the grille feels resistant, pause and double-check for any missed connections before pulling harder. Before reinstalling, take a moment to inspect all clips and fasteners for any damage. It's also a great time to clean the area behind where the grille sits. When ready, carefully align the grille with its mounting points. Gently push it into place, ensuring all clips snap securely. Reinstall the bolts, starting with the lower ones, then the top 4 10mm bolts. Tighten everything securely, but do not over-tighten to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.